didn't want to believe because my family was so pessimistic about it. But I'm such a believer now. Whoever tells me stem cells doesn't work, seriously, try before you speak. I am seeing results every single day, something new. I was never able to push my legs up and down on my own. I was never able to bend my legs on my own. I do everything, all that on my own. And I feel stronger than I ever have. And I know I'm getting better and better by the days. Nurses here and nurses in America, totally different. Seriously, nurses in America should come here and see the difference, that they really care about the patient, not just stab them with needles and medicine. Oh, the best is the sleeping medicine. What is it, Xanax? They have overdosed me with Xanax. I was in the hospital all the time. They don't put you to sleep here. They don't even give you a painkiller. They just give you natural stuff. And it doesn't affect you. Don't go to Mexico. Don't go to America for any stem cells. This is the place you should go. I'm staying here. Love the people, love the atmosphere, love the nurses, love the doctors. Everything about it is amazing. There's nothing you cannot tell me and tell me that. Any bad experience, any bad this? No. Can't get better. You cannot get better than being here. I want to live here, but I can't.